Hello, in this video we will demonstrate how to create a new 3D template and save it to the thumbnail list on the right panel. The easiest way to select a new template is to pick an existing one from the thumbnail templates on the right and window level to a new desired look. The PreXion comes with a standard page and the other page as defaults. We will select the other tab for saving a new template. Here on mine, you'll notice the Custom tab, and you can save additional user-defined templates underneath the Custom tab by selecting New tab and just renaming it like I did here, and so you have another page selection for saving templates as an option. So here on the other page tab, we have already defaulted our template, CT Standard 1. We can pick others, and you can see the 3D image itself is being applied with these settings from the templates that already exist. So here, as an example, we've selected the CT maxillary template, air sinus, and I'm holding the right and the left click on the mouse and getting a window level command, and I'm just moving the mouse sort of northeast to southwest. You can move it around a little bit. So if you want to create a different template, you can just move it around, pick the one that you like. Once you've got that set, what you do is come down here, hit save, name your template. I'll just call it new for now. Make sure this is selected. You want to save the 3D settings only. You don't want to save these other settings, so that way your CT image doesn't change. So once you click OK, then it will register to the other tab. So you can see on the right thumbnail, I already selected several. Here I call this one custom, and you can see the change made, or other templates that you want to click on. It'll apply it to the 3D image, and so you can get a projection like that if you've saved them already here on the right side. If you like your new template and want to make it a default, what you do, hover over it with the mouse, right click the mouse, set default. See the little check mark? That is now your default template when you load a study up. There is a more advanced method to change the templates. If you want to do this, you hit the 3D settings tab, and you'll notice you have different channels. Usually we pick like bone, and then you can adjust the sliders. You can adjust the opacity settings. You could turn channels on or off. You can just kind of play around with it until you come up with a desired setting that you like. And once again, once you have your particular setting, go back to template and hit save, and then make a new template. Same method as before. So here is the new template that we saved. Since I was just goofing around, playing around with it here for the video, I don't want to keep this, so to delete one, you hover around the mouse, right click, and just click delete, and you can get rid of a template that you no longer want to keep. Well, thanks for watching, and all the best for creating a 3D template.